How to get emergency loans without endless paperwork. In urgent situations, paperwork is the last thing a business owner wants to deal with. Banks often require tax returns, balance sheets, and pages of forms that take weeks to review. That's why our team works as independent brokers with David Allen Capital, providing loan programs with a simple application process. Decisions are often made in as little as 24 to 48 hours. To qualify, businesses must be operating for 4 months or longer, earn $15,000 or more monthly, and have a FICO score of at least 550, with operations in the United States or Canada. For smaller and newer operations, DAC also offers microfunding loans with reduced requirements. David Allen Capital also guarantees confidence with their $500 meet or beat guarantee. If another lender provides a better offer, DAC will either match it or pay you $500 in cash. Skip the paperwork overload. Apply today through the link in the description below at jakefunding.com.